So here we are. This is the next day with the litter of kits that we had the trouble with yesterday, and I just want to do a quick check, see how everybody is, make sure that if somebody passed away, we get it out of the nest. Feels nice and warm in here, so that's good. I try and do this really quick because, you know, they had a little bit of a rough start. I don't need to add to their drama in life. I feel 1, 2. That's Cotton Ball. I did give Mom some feed and water before I snagged this box. I don't think she's got an issue. So that boy looking good, fed. Nice and warm in there. That's what I wanted to feel. Funny how they're darkened up so much just overnight if you look at the color from yesterday. And we had 4 that it came in here yesterday, and here they are squirming, looking great. So, you know, yesterday wasn't a great day, but this is looking like a pretty happy ending for these 4, and the other litter looks perfectly fine up there with their mother. You know, so that was just a quick check, make sure we're all good. Nest is warm. She is caring for them. I did want to kind of check and make sure. I've never had a problem with her not feeding her kits before, but given the whole oddness of the situation, I did want to check that out. So that's good. All good. Tuck them back in and give them back to Mom and leave them alone for a day or 2. I don't need to keep second guessing her now. I just wanted to, you know, get a feel for how things looked this morning. So this is all good. Like I said, you know, there's just some things we have to deal with. It's not always nice, but at least if we can have a good result with the ones that we can save, then it softens the blow a lot. So hope this was all good information for you. If anyone has any questions, please leave them in the comments. Also, we will put up an accompanying article on meetrabbits.org to talk about dealing with a situation like this. That will probably be a little delayed from the video just because this was kind of unexpected and on the fly, like I said. But, you know, good information to have, necessary information to have. How do you deal with things? And I hope that'll be a good, quick resource that people can go to. Unfortunately, sometimes the rabbit forums, as great as they are, it can take a while to post, so I try to get ahead of some of these topics and post them so that resource is there instantly for people when you need it. So again, thanks for watching. I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and share so that you have the information on hand, can find it when you need it, and others can as well.